Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 6 essential skills that every man needs to succeed in life. These skills will help you express yourself better, manage conflicts effectively, exude a strong presence, think critically, handle your finances wisely, and deal with stress. Mastering these skills can truly elevate your life and help you become the best version of yourself. Ready? Let's jump right in. 1. Knowing how to fight. One of the most important skills every man should have is the ability to defend himself. Learning martial arts or basic self-defense techniques not only helps you protect yourself physically, but also boosts your confidence. Feeling secure is empowering and gives you more control over your life. For example, you can join self-defense classes or martial arts training to physically strengthen yourself and boost your confidence. 2. The ability to diffuse conflict. Being able to resolve conflicts successfully is crucial for building strong relationships and enhancing problem-solving skills. Staying calm during conflict, showing empathy, and using effective communication to solve problems can increase your maturity and credibility. For instance, practice understanding others' emotions and communicate openly and clearly to resolve conflicts. 3. Having a strong presence. Having a strong presence requires effective communication and leadership skills. Displaying a confident and assertive demeanor in your interactions leaves a positive impression on others. Confidence in yourself, coupled with body language, projects a strong presence. For example, pay attention to your body language in daily interactions and speak confidently to project a strong presence. 4. Deep critical thinking. The ability to solve problems and make sound decisions requires deep critical thinking skills. Instead of opting for simple answers, try looking at problems from different angles and developing analytical thinking. This will enable you to manage your life more effectively. For example, jot down daily problems and brainstorm possible solutions. This will enhance your problem-solving skills and boost your confidence. Good with your money. Financial success is important for every man. Managing your finances well, creating budgets, and cultivating savings habits are essential steps towards financial independence. Reducing financial stress allows you to focus more on other areas of your life. For instance, start tracking your income and expenses, create a budget, and begin saving. This will improve your financial situation and boost your confidence. 6. Learning to manage stress. Stress management is a crucial skill in modern life. Learning and practicing stress management techniques help you stay calm during tough times and make better decisions. Techniques like meditation, exercise, or picking up hobbies can help you cope with stress. For example, experiment with different stress management techniques to discover what works best for you. This will help you achieve life balance and boost your confidence. These are the 6 essential skills every man needs in life. By developing these skills, you'll see yourself as stronger and more successful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.